If you're working more hours than you're compensated for, understanding your rights and the strategies to claim your due pay is crucial. Under federal law, employees are entitled to overtime pay at 1.5 times their regular rate for all hours worked over 40 in a work week, unless exempt. Some states have additional rules, such as overtime for over 8 hours in a day. It's important to know the regulations that apply to your employment to understand when you should be paid overtime. To identify unpaid overtime, start by reviewing your work hours, pay stubs, and any employment or union contracts that outline your wage and overtime agreement. Discrepancies between your records and compensation can indicate unpaid overtime. Keep detailed records of all hours worked, as this documentation will support your claim. Once you've identified unpaid overtime, approach your employer professionally. Often, unpaid overtime is the result of misunderstanding or error. Discuss your concerns and present your documentation. Many employers will rectify the issue promptly to maintain compliance and good relations. If your employer does not address your unpaid overtime claim, you have legal recourse. You can file a complaint with the Department of Labor's Wage and Hour Division, which enforces overtime law. Alternatively, you may consider filing a lawsuit, often as part of a class action, if many employees are affected. Consulting with an employment attorney can provide guidance specific to your situation. Filing a claim involves submitting your employment details, documented hours worked, and evidence of unpaid overtime. The process can result in recovery of back pay and sometimes liquidated damages equal to the unpaid overtime, doubling the amount owed. An attorney can help navigate these proceedings, ensuring that you meet all deadlines and procedural requirements. To prevent future issues with unpaid overtime, maintain accurate records of all hours worked and regularly review your pay stubs. Additionally, familiarize yourself with your employer's overtime policy to ensure compliance on both sides. To conclude, navigating unpaid overtime is about knowing your rights, keeping detailed records, and using legal resources when necessary. Empower yourself with this knowledge to ensure you're fully compensated for your time and effort. For further details on handling unpaid overtime and other employment rights, visit our website. Stay informed and protect your earnings. Thank you for watching.